Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. We are going to solve nice equation which is under root x over x is equal to 2. So we have to find out the value of x. Let's see solution. So our question is under root x over x is equal to 2. Now first step is multiply both sides by x this equation. So under root x over x is equal to 2 multiply x and this x cancel. So it will be under root x is equal to 2x. Now I use both sides square. So under root x square is equal to 2x whole square. This square root will be cancelled this square. So we can write x square 2 square is equal to 4x square. Now we can write x this 4x square this side, so minus 4x square is equal to 0. Now we can write 4x square minus x is equal to 0. In this case we can factor out x. So x times 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here x is equal to 0 and 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. From here 4x is equal to 1, right? So divided both sides by 4. So these and these cancel. So it will be x is equal to 1 over 4. Therefore we have two values of x. So x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 over 4. This is first method. Now method 2. Question is given under root x over x is equal to 2. Now under root x we can write as x to the power 1 over 2 over x is equal to 2. According to exponents rule we know that a square over a is equal to a to the power 2 minus 1. So we can write x to the power 1 over 2 minus 1 is equal to 2. Now 1 over 2 minus 1 we will get minus 1 over 2. It will be x to the power minus 1 over 2 is equal to 2. According to exponents rule we know that a to the power minus 1 is equal to we can write as 1 over a. So we can write 1 over x whole to the power 1 over 2 is equal to 2. So in this case I use both sides square. We can write 1 over x to the power 1 over 2 whole to the power 2 is equal to 2 square. In here according to power rules a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. So open the bracket 1 over x power 1 over 2 times 2 is equal to 2 square is equal to 4. This 2 and this 2 cancel. It will be 1 over x is equal to 4. Multiply both sides by x, so we will get 4x is equal to 1. Now divide both sides by 4, so divide by 4. These and these cancel, so x is equal to 1 over 4. Now we have two values of x, so x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 over 4. This is our final answer, so take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.